What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Mile High Misfits. Lately I've been posting a ton of content about the S197 Mustang project because I have been working on it so much. So today I wanted to give some love to the C5 Corvette and tell you guys some of my favorite aspects about it. So stay tuned. Well guys, there's a ton of things to love about this car and it's really hard to narrow it down to one list of 5 items, but here goes nothing. Now the first thing on this list is definitely the chop. Obviously this isn't going to apply to every C5 Corvette out there because not every single C5 Corvette out there is cammed, but honestly guys, ever since I cammed my Corvette, the personality of this car has been completely different. It sounds so aggressive and I love the lope and it always makes people turn their heads and I just love that. And with an aftermarket cam like the BTR Stage 3 that I have, it's going to be a lot faster than stock. And honestly guys, even when you pull into a parking lot and you're just loping through the lot, it's just got a certain aura to it that it's so cool. I just love it. I mean, just listen to this sound, guys. This never gets old. Up next is the target top. I've never really been a huge fan of soft tops on any car. I think it kind of ruins the aesthetic of the car, so having the target top on this thing is just so sick. This is a huge one for me. The target top gives you the best of both worlds, so it looks and feels like a coupe, but you can still take the top off. And Chevy made these super light and easy to remove, so it's really not a pain in the ass when you want to take it off or put it back on. And whenever I show people how easy it is to take the target top off and store it in the trunk, people are always wowed by that. Taking off the top definitely changes the driving experience, so if I want to enjoy the spring and summer weather with a nice Sunday cruise with my wife, that's easy to do in this car. This is something that you really can't get with most other cars, so having this with the Corvette that's also paired with the LS1, a 6-speed and rear-wheel drive, that is a combination you just cannot beat. I do think it's unfortunate that they didn't have the target top in the Z06 version of the C5. I understand that they were trying to go for more rigidity in that version, but honestly, I would rather have the target top than a little bit more of a rigid ride. Next up is styling. Honestly, this car is almost 30 years old now, and I still feel like this car looks modern in today's age. I don't think this style is ever gonna get old. And people who aren't car enthusiasts are always shocked anytime that I tell them that my car is a 1999. This car is low, sleek, and wide, and it just has an aggressive stance to it, and the body lines are just right. In my opinion, it's the perfect blend of simplicity and sport. Plus, let's be honest, the pop-up headlights add so much personality, and I just think that's great. When you see this car on the road, it definitely stands out. Now, number 4 on this list is LS Power. In stock form, the LS1 puts out great power for being almost 30 years old now. I mean, it can still put up a fight with a lot of modern cars. And because of the simple pushrod V8 design, it's also super easy to work on, and it's reliable. Also, anyone with an LS knows that the aftermarket support for these engines is incredible, and it's super easy and pretty cheap to make amazing power. Plus, these motors are super easy to modify at home if you have mechanical knowledge and skill. It's just a solid bang for your buck platform. Now finally is handling. Most people see an American car with a big V8 and they say, oh, that's a straight line car, that can't handle corners. Well, in this instance, you are wrong. This car absolutely breaks that stereotype. On the track, this car feels planted and it inspires confidence in the corners. The C5 Corvette is definitely a driver's car and it's great for back roads and curves. And anybody who thinks differently has never driven one of these. But there you have it, guys. Those are my top 5 favorite things about my C5 Corvette. Obviously, there are a ton of things to love about this car, so let me know in the comments what your favorite aspects about your C5 are. And as always, if you enjoyed the content for today, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for future content. I'll catch you guys next week. Later.